Kluivert mengaku akan memberi kesempatan pemain-pemain lokal berkualitas untuk masuk timnas. Menurut Kluivert, pemain lokal sama pentingnya dengan pemain diaspora yang banyak bermain di luar negeri.
Local players are the heart of Indonesia, and the other players are of course super important, but I think we need to focus very good on the local players and check the quality of the local players, because I think that is hyper important to implement those players as well, because you want to have also the heart of Indonesia in the team. The quality for me is the most important thing, of course, but yes, in a few weeks I will come back and I'm going to check the local players for sure. Well, we go with all to the same goal. So the local players and the diaspora players, they need to form one block, one team, and the local players are even as important as the players that come from abroad.